Alright, we're starting off at 19151 Cypress Rain. This is a one-story house. It does need a little bit of yard maintenance right now, but it's got a high entrance. And we come into a very nice, clean, new carpet. This is the living area with a nice ceiling. Kind of gives it that little extra feel it needs. Look at little vaulted edges. It's not too bad at all. Coming into bedroom number 1. Looks like there was maybe a little bit of water damage at some point up there. And then in here we have the closet. This closet has doorknobs. That's a very particular note to make there. And we have a cable line. We have the bathroom for the 2 bedrooms. There's number 2 bedroom with cable line and doorknobs. The excitement continues. Thermostat into the living room, straight to the back to the little recessed art nooks, and the master bedroom, vaulted ceiling again, into bathroom with tubs and no doorknob, but walk-in closet and nails so that you can hang things on nails. People, we can't make this stuff up. All right, here we go into the dining room, breakfast area, and kitchen. While it looks like there is no stove, there is a new stove outside waiting to come in. This is the garage. It's a 2-car garage with a little bit of area up there, water heater. So this right here is the utility area, and they all have doors, which is a plus. So here's the door, and here's the door. There we go. Ta-da! All right, that's where the fridge goes. No limit on height. And all set.